How to create a group chat on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a group chat on Snapchat. So now, let's begin. First things first, open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, just go to your chat section. Now, before we move on to the next step, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So after you're here, what you need to do is tap on this blue icon on the bottom right. Tap on it and here you will see the new group option. Tap on new group and you can name this group too. So after you name it, just choose the people that you want on this group. So just choose and then tap on chat with group. So after you do that, you'll have created this chat, that is a group chat, and you can talk to your friends there. So that is how you do it guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and